demoing a Propain Spindrift at Summit. I really want a new enduro pedal bike. And I found out they were doing demos at Summit, so why not? So we're gonna go do a hello handlebar lap. Just since it's a little pedally. I mean, already this bike's super smooth. I think I need to adjust, pull the levers out a little bit. Still a bit sore from yesterday at Stevens, but that's all right. Pull this lever out a bit. I have my V10, but I need something for chunky stuff at Tiger, or as a backup to here that has a decent amount of travel and can still pedal decently for some climbs. So right now, being able to go in like a sissy gear, it's kind of nice. And these things are just pretty. So hello handlebar seems like the perfect demo lap. Chunk, steep parts, a lot of roots, and a few pedally sections. Wow, I'm not used to being able to sit nicely and ride down this. This is cool. I'm also riding Conti tires. I don't think I've ever been on these. Not good enough to tell, but bike feels stiff. I don't know. Handlebars. Let's get it. It'd be nice to have some more pedally gear options. Might be set up a little stiff, but that's all right. Just kind of went off. General body weight sag looked like 25-ish, 30. that feels better than my V10. But as far as being able to pedal, that's nice. Also forgot my goggles today, so try and keep the dust and riding close behind people to a minimum. Otherwise, I'm gonna be that guy with sunglasses under the helmet. Does feel good. Again, I think a little stiff, but that's all right. They also put a lot of air in the tires. It's Summit. It's a chunker. Oh yeah, see, being able to pedal up that tree was nice. Yeah, this bike feels great. Bike is also skinny, crazy quiet, nice. More BB clearance than my V10. That usually hits my bash guard. Thing also has electric shifting. None of my bikes have that. That's kind of cool. You don't even hear it. That's crazy. All right, I can put my seat up, pedal up a little bit. Yeah, guys, this is nice. Back down. Oh yeah. This is where our lap comes to an end. We're at the base